This is gonna blow your mind. Hey there, wellness warriors. Welcome to Gugulam-Health TV. Today, we're starting an epic journey from head to toe to unlock your body's natural healing power. And where better to begin than with the command center, your brain and its powerful partner, the mind. Did you know? Your brain weighs about 1.4 kilograms, that is 3 pounds. That's 2% of your body weight, but uses 20% of your energy. The source of our information comes from the National Institute of Neurological Disorders and Stroke. They provide invaluable insights into how our brain functions and its impact on our overall health. Conventional medicine heals from the outside in. It focuses on treating symptoms and physical ailments through external interventions. But you can heal from the inside out by directing your mind. How? From your thoughts to your mind, to your brain, to your body. This interconnected journey shows how mental practices through meditation can lead to physical health improvements. Even doctors use the placebo effect, where belief triggers real healing. Proof? Studies show that sugar pills reduce pain when patients think it's medicine. Hey, mindful tribe, ever tried to meditate but felt more stressed because you weren't doing it right? Mind you, meditation is your mind's remote control. The purpose of morning, noon and night meditation sessions is to train your brain to release tension, calm your mind and relax your body. It is advisable to practice your morning meditation shortly after awakening, whilst your mind is calm, preferably half an hour before sunrise. When meditating in the afternoon, it is more beneficial to meditate after the food has settled in your system. And when meditating in the evening, it's best to meditate 30 minutes before you sleep. This timing will help you immerse your energy into a peaceful sleep. Let us begin now. In a quiet space, sit in a comfortable position with a straight back, but not rigid. Ensure that your spine is aligned, allowing the energy to flow freely through your body. This alignment is crucial for maintaining focus and preventing any discomfort during your meditation session. If you choose to sit on a chair, keep your feet flat on the floor, but not stiff. Your feet should be firmly grounded, providing a stable base for your posture. This helps in maintaining balance and ensures that your body remains relaxed yet alert. Or you can sit on the floor with your legs crossed. This traditional posture, often referred to as the lotus position, can help deepen your meditation practice. Make sure your knees are lower than your hips to avoid any strain. If you choose to meditate sitting on a chair or sitting on the floor, you should place your hands softly on your thighs, with palms facing up. This open-handed position symbolizes receptivity and openness, allowing you to receive the benefits of your meditation practice. Meditating lying on your back. Please note that this position is only recommended for advanced meditators and only if you do not fall asleep. This position can be deeply relaxing, but it requires a high level of awareness to prevent drifting off. So if you're lying on your back, place your arms relaxed on either side of your body, with palms facing up. This posture helps in opening up your chest and allows for deeper breathing, enhancing the meditative experience. Now that you are in your chosen comfortable position, take a moment to settle in. Relax your whole body from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. Feel the connection between your body and the surface you are on. This grounding helps in anchoring your mind to the present moment. With your eyes still opened, take a deep breath from your belly and breathe out through your mouth. Repeat this breathing process 3 times to settle in comfortably. This initial deep inhalation and exhalation helps release any residual tension and prepares your body for the meditative process. Now slowly and delicately close your eyes, and with your mouth gently closed, steadfastly breathe in and out through your nostrils. Allow your breath to find its own rhythm without forcing it. Continue breathing deeply while mentally counting from 1 to 10, filling the belly with air. This deep belly breathing helps in calming the nervous system and centering your mind. Then breathe out slowly through your nostrils while mentally counting from 10 to 1. This controlled exhalation helps in releasing any remaining stress and brings a sense of tranquility. Now imagine yourself in your favorite happy place, a lush green forest beneath a sun-rays lit blue sky with white clouds. Feel the warmth of the sun kissing your skin, the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze, and the fresh, invigorating scent of nature all around you. Let this serene environment envelop you, bringing a sense of peace and tranquility to your mind and body. Or picture a waterfall under a bright blue sky with white clouds. Hear the soothing sound of water cascading down, creating a symphony of nature that calms your senses. Imagine the cool mist gently touching your face, refreshing and revitalizing you with every breath you take. Or envision majestic, quiet mountains encircling you like a baby in a mother's womb. Or visualize an azure blue ocean shimmering below the rising sun on the blue sky with white clouds. The rhythmic sound of waves lapping against the shore, creating a calming melody, while the vast expanse of the ocean brings a sense of infinite peace and freedom. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet and the gentle breeze tenderly caressing your face. When meditating in the evening, imagine a dark blue night sky, moonlit and dotted with shining stars. Now that you're in tune with the force of life, mentally scan your body from head to toe, starting by relaxing your upper body. Begin with your scalp, feeling any tension melt away. Move down to your eyes and eyelids, allowing them to soften and relax. Relax your ears, your jaw, letting it hang loose and free of tension. Relax your nostrils. Feel the ease of each inhalation and exhalation, bringing calmness to your entire face. Allow your lips to soften, feeling the relaxation spread across your face. Relax your tongue, letting it rest comfortably in your mouth. Move down to your neck, feeling the muscles unwind and release any tightness. Let your shoulders drop, feeling the weight lift off them as they relax completely. Focus on your chest, feeling it rise and fall with each breath. Allow your arms to relax, feeling the tension drain away from your shoulders down to your fingertips. Let your hands and fingers rest in a comfortable position, free of any strain. Feel the relaxation spread through your fingers, each one becoming loose and at ease. Now move your focus to your stomach, feeling it expand and contract with each breath. Let your lower body relax, starting with your hips. Feel the relaxation flow down to your thighs, releasing any tension. Continue down to your knees, calves, and feet, letting each part of your body become completely relaxed. Finally, let the relaxation reach your toes, feeling a wave of calmness from the tip of your toes to the top of your head. Envision this pure energy surrounding your entire body, creating a protective and calming aura, till you feel naturally calm, mentally and physically filled with pure bliss. Make it a habit to meditate at least once a day to maintain this sense of tranquility. If possible, meditate 3 times a day, allowing yourself to fully embrace calmness and clarity that meditation brings. Remember, the first step is worth 1,000 miles. Loved this? Smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We're diving deep into this series. Remember, your mind is the architect, your body the building. Build wisely. Always treat your health as the precious gift it truly is, because it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with friends and family that will benefit from Gugulam-Health TV. Subscribe for the headache and migraine episode next. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.